What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today I have right here the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, and I got this in blue, and I'm going to unbox it, share with you guys my first impressions. And right on my wrist I have right here the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I also do have the Galaxy Watch 4, and I will be making a comparison between the Watch 5 and the Watch 4. So if you want to see a video of that, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But without further delay, let's dive right in. All right, so here is the Galaxy Watch 5. Looking at the top of the box, Galaxy Watch doesn't state if it's the 5th gen or the 4th gen, whatever it is. Then we got like a colorful strap around the watch itself and Samsung logo at the bottom. On the left side, we have Samsung Galaxy Watch. It doesn't even say if it's the Watch 5 or the 4 or whatever, like the newest model. It doesn't say any of the model numbers. Right side, we got nothing. The bottom, we got nothing. And on the top, we also have nothing. The Watch 5 is right here on the back. I got the 44 millimeter. So let's open this up, and so far what I know is there's very subtle change in the physical design, but we're going to take a look. So here we go. Let's first pull out the watch right here. Wow, that is a really nice blue, and this is going to go perfectly with the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Just look at how clean that looks. So yeah, you can see some bezel around the Watch 5. Same setup. We got the two buttons on the side. They go pretty much the back and the home. And then I'm going to obviously put on the straps. So let's see what else we got here. The sport bands. I got the 20 millimeter, large, medium, and large. So I'm going to put these on. We do have some more. We do have some more things right here. And I believe this is going to be, I could have opened it from the bottom, but oh well. I believe that this is going to be the charging puck, as well as quick start guide. So here it is. The charging puck is right here. It's a USB-C to the puck itself. Although I don't need to open this because I already have one myself. But that's really it. I don't see any other paperwork in here. There might be some paperwork on the other side. Let's open that. I guess I did open it the wrong way. There we go. Quick start guide. So there is that, but I'm going to set this up right here. Just look how clean that blue is. It's a little darker blue than the Z Flip 4, and I like it. I like this blue. So let me set this up. Let me put on the bands, and I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so I got this right here. I'm about to set it up, and it pops right up, Galaxy Watch 5. So I'm going to connect, and there goes my Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I'm just going to put that to the side for now. And while this is setting up, I'm going to confirm. There we go, and also just clean the screen up real quick. So this is going to just download the software on the Galaxy Watch 5, and you can use this with pretty much any Android device. It's going to be much easier now. This is running Wear OS. I believe it's Wear OS 3, and so far it's been great. I've used it on the Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic. Now Wear OS 3 is not really mainstream. It's not in a lot of Android Wear devices, Android watches, and frankly, like, I can't really think of one that comes off the top of my head that competes with Samsung. Samsung's main competitor is obviously Apple. So in terms of service, okay, just I agree. Getting a watch ready. So this is going to take a couple minutes, but looking at this, I love the first party bands. I like these Samsung bands, but just know that last year when I picked up the Watch 4, I went with the green color, and I did pick up a green stainless steel. So this year I am hopeful that I will be getting a blue stainless steel band to go with the Watch 5. And obviously I have a stainless steel band here to go with the Watch 4 Classic. So this blue color. I just can't get over how clean this blue color looks. Maybe it's just because it's like the first time I'm seeing this color in person, and I'll get used to it over time. That's what usually happens. And that's what happened when I first got the Galaxy Watch 4 in green last year. But I don't have the Watch 4 with me. However, from what I remember, it's more or less the same. This it's built out of sapphire crystal. So you should, I hope that you're a little bit more careful with this Galaxy Watch 5, but it's going to be great for, using it when you're working out and all that good stuff. So let's skip this. Restore your watch. Let's skip that too. Finishing up. And I'm gonna obviously, this is on my Galaxy S22 Ultra. I've had a whole craze of different devices coming in right now. Samsung Z Flip 4. I have a bunch of cases. So I'm still in the process of kind of switching everything over. So bear with me. But the S22 Ultra SIM card is going in the Z Flip 4. I used the Z Flip 3 last year as my main daily driver for about 2 months. And it's gonna be the same thing with the Z Flip 4. All right, so here we go. It is all set up, the Galaxy Watch 5. This is one of the new watch face that you get with the Watch 5 and the Watch 5 Pro. But I like it. And taking a look, it does kind of go through the widgets and everything. It's still kind of getting to itself, but it feels just a little bit smoother than it would with the Watch 4. The Watch 4 felt really slow. And this doesn't have a physical crown like the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, but it still feels really good. Still feels really good. How it's a touchscreen crown, I guess, and it's smooth, intuitive. We got the home button, we got the back button, and one thing that I want to try is putting it on my wrist. So keep in mind that this is the 44 millimeter. This is a larger size. I did pick up the larger size of the bands too, and it fits pretty good. I like how it fits. It looks really sleek. If we want to change the watch face, we definitely can do that. Just hold on to it. We can add more or edit on your phone. Just add watch face. We can do AR emoji, active, analog dashboard. Let's try the analog dashboard. And then I'm gonna go ahead and quickly edit and see if I can make the background dark. So we're gonna customize. There we go. It's still kind of going through its settings, all right. Okay, I get it. Swipe down. There we go. So black. I want to change the indexes later, and I'll change the colors later too. So there we go. That is my new watch face. Obviously, I'm probably going to change it to make it more unique and make it more original for me. But there it is. There is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. I will be comparing this with the Watch 4. So if you aren't subscribed to the channel and want to check out the Watch 4 and the Watch 5, what is new? What's different? Should I pick up the Watch 4? Should I pick up the Watch 5 when I already have the Watch 4? I'm going to answer all of those questions in the comparison video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. But that's really been it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the YouTube channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.